Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play SnowRunner with friends using mods. First, ensure everyone has the game installed and updated. Next, navigate to the mod browser within the game's main menu. Here, you can browse and subscribe to various community-created modifications. Remember, for a successful multiplayer session, all players must have the exact same mods enabled. This consistency is crucial for avoiding synchronization errors and ensuring a stable game experience for everyone involved. Once everyone has synchronized their mod lists, one player should host the game. From the main menu, select the co-op option, then choose Create Game. You can set your session to public or private, depending on who you want to join. After creating the game, use the in-game invitation system to send invites to your friends. They will receive a notification and can join your modded session directly. Confirm everyone has joined before starting your trucking adventure. Sometimes, modded co-op can encounter issues. If you experience crashes or desynchronization, first verify that all players have identical mod versions. Incompatible mods are a common culprit. Next, ensure everyone has a stable internet connection. A weak signal can cause problems. If issues persist, try restarting the game and your gaming platform. Occasionally, simply disabling a recently added mod can resolve unexpected behavior, allowing you to get back to your trucking quickly. For the best modded co-op experience, always communicate your mod list with friends before playing. Consider using a dedicated mod manager, if available for your platform, to streamline the process of enabling and disabling mods. This helps maintain consistency and reduces troubleshooting time. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers that make meal prep easy, along with other great deals. Enjoy your epic SnowRunner journeys with your friends and your favorite mods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.